can see, I got the gray Everlane Tread shoe. I think that's what it's called. Anyways, it's a trainer. This is what it looks like. I got size 9.5. Saw a video of some dude who got them on his original size, but it was too small for me. And I didn't want to make that regret because it's a final sale item. I got them for half the price that they go for, which I think it's a pretty good deal. They cost $50. So I thought, why not? Pretty cool. I do need a new shoe, or at least wanted a new shoe to be a little bit more diverse in my shoe collection. I really only use 2 pairs of shoes right now. It's excluding the shoe that I use to work out. But if you want to go ahead and include it, technically I have only 3 shoes that I use. Occasionally I use these other 2 shoes, but I don't really use them too often. Which is a red Nike Air Max and a blue Nike Air Prestos. I think that's what it's called, Flyknit Nike Air Prestos. They fit perfect. This is where my toe is at. I think it's perfect. It's a perfect fit. I think my size 9 would have actually been a bit too tight. It's on my shoe. I like how they look, man. The aesthetic, simple, simplistic. That's what I wanted to go for. What do you guys think? I got the Everlane chino shorts too. What do you guys think? Copper drop. I'll probably be doing showing a bit more B-roll of outfits so you can see how the whole shoe looks like. But yeah, look, it actually kind of looks like an Air Max, doesn't it? Huh. They're very similar. This one looks, yeah, it's just as chunky looking as the Air Max. It's a bit more slimmer. For a second I thought the Air Max looked less chunky, but that's because of this right here. It sometimes looks like it's actually a bit more slimmer. If it was probably another color, it wouldn't look that slim. But yeah, that's how the Everlane shoes look. Definitely stiffer, a lot more stiffer than the Nike Air Max, but I'll probably have to wear this shoe a couple of times and then I'll know how these shoes really feel after a cool while. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And now some B-roll.